Hi again! Next episode, wearing the same thing. This was all shot in one night. But anyway, you might get bored if it's too long. So now we're here to talk about our first cameras.
First film.
And first film cameras.
Yeah. So, we actually bought like 1 day apart, I think.
Yeah.
We were looking at the same website, and we were looking at purely mechanical film camera. So what did you get?
Okay. The reason why I was actually looking at Russian cameras is because I've always wanted a Leica, and then I heard somewhere that Russian cameras were copies.
Russian Leicas.
Russian Leicas, which is why instead of getting a Japanese camera like everybody else, I went with a Russian camera. This is the Fed. This is the Fed 35. Anyway, it won't focus. There. I'll just edit it.
Yeah.
This is the Fed 35A. It's actually more like it's a rangefinder, but it's also like a Lomo LCA, wherein you can just do zone focusing and then just worry about your aperture.
Yes.
No shutter speed.
Well, I was thinking the same kasi ang end in mind naman namin when we went into film was to eventually hopefully end up with a Leica
How long
camera.
did that take?
So, yeah, we wanted to start with an approximation of a Leica. So, a proper rangefinder, cheap rangefinder that we can practice on and hopefully see if we actually deserve a Leica.
Yeah, yun talaga yun, deserve. Because
Yeah, kasi we want to make sure that we can actually adapt to the rangefinder style of shooting. Kasi shooting with digital for so many years, diba?
yeah, autofocus, you get
So spoiled, yeah.
Yeah.
So
It's so easy, really. Like when you pick up digital, it's like
Yeah. Kasi,
it's done.
like, you go out one night and then come home with what? 100 plus photos na siguro 90% nun tapos.
Yeah. It's like picture of the glass or bigger.
Your food.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
what was your first?
So
Hindi
end
niya
up,
kasi, he didn't bring it with him.
yeah, ipasok mo na lang yung picture.
This was his idea.
Yeah.
Anyway, this
So,
is what we got.
Yeah, that one. So I eventually ended up with a Zorky 4K. So this model is actually one of the later ones from Zorky.
It's a shame you didn't bring it. This is a really nice camera.
Yeah, it looks nice. It looks like a proper rangefinder. A bit heavier than what you got.
Yeah, this is super light and super light.
And so it's not a fixed lens camera like this one, like the Fed. You can it's actually an interchangeable screw mount camera, flying lens camera. So my thinking was, yeah, I'll get this with a decent Jupiter 8 lens, f2, and then maybe eventually invest in better lenses along the way.
Yeah.
Na hindi ko na nagawa.
Well, ako. Okay.
Pero one thing na you have to think about pala when you start buying film cameras. Kasi the difficulty that I had was when I got the Zorky 4K, I had to bring my light meter along everywhere I went. Kasi I'm not used to doing Sunny 16. Never ko naman inisip yun kasi lahat naman ng mga camera ang gamit ko before. Everything was there.
But about the light meter, yes, the light meter. Like kasi
Feeling professional, no?
But you know, you can download an app. Like my favorite one is this one. It's just My Light Meter Pro. It's like anyway, it's like 200 pesos. I think on 200 pesos. It's quite accurate. Yeah, because the thing also you have to remember with film. The film now is sturdier, hardier more forgiving
Mm.
than old film. You don't have to be exact.
Well, we didn't know that when we started.
We did it.
So for me, I was using the handheld
But
light
at least
meter.
now.
Yeah, now at least we can share that. It's actually more forgiving than you think.
Mm-mm.
So even if you underexpose, you'll still end up with a decent image.
I underexposed 2 stops.
Mm.
Or stops.
Okay pa rin. It's
Yeah.
still,
I was shooting Portra 400 and then I was setting for ISO 800.
yeah, so you're underexposing by 2 stops.
Yeah. But you know,
One
pictures-
stop.
Pictures came out okay.
Yeah.
Still nice. Very usable.
Mm.
And since you scan, you can adjust the brightness.
Well, just konting brightness.
Yeah.
Just don't touch the colors kasi only the exposure I think makes sense if you adjust it in post once you scan it.
Because you know, at the end of the day, when you scan it, you want it to be like what it's printed and what you saw when
Yeah.
you took it. So that's the whole point ng Kasi sometimes like may off topic na to eh.
Yeah, but back to what we bought, it wasn't actually a huge investment on our part.
In the beginning. Yeah.
Yeah, well, in the beginning, yeah. But you ended up getting the Fed. So how
Yeah.
much did you get that for?
I got this around 4,000.
I think mine was more expensive.
6 ate sale.
Yeah, around
I think around
6,000.
6,000.
Kasi I got it with it was actually a very decent lens, Jupiter 8 f2 50mm.
Okay, Renjay will do a review on the camera
Yeah.
next time.
Yeah.
Sample photos.
Mm.
Para you can see it.
Yep.
It's really nice. Can I see also? The problem with Mia, because I'm so used to buying new cameras. So when I bought this, you know, it's dinged up and
Yeah.
everything. I didn't trust it.
Mm.
I felt like it was broken. So sometimes, like, you know, kasi like with cameras like these, it has a safety feature. Like if it's too dark, you can't press the shutter.
It won't fire.
It won't fire. And then it has safety features like that.
So kala mo
So
sira.
several times, like, I was like, oh my god, it's broken, and then it was just me. It was my fault, not the camera's fault. These things are very hard to break, actually.
And that one's what? How old?
I don't know, maybe about
40?
no. This came out in the 80s, so
Oh.
30 something years. But these things are hard to break. Just don't force them to do something like that. So like that, when that happened to me, I stopped touching at first. I went home, took a few deep breaths, composed myself, and then started thinking. And then I was like, oh, maybe it's because it's on auto, and that's why it won't fire. So I put it to bulb, or I put it to manual, and then fire.
So
Trust. Buy from a trusted seller.
if it's a trusted seller and if it's in good shape, most likely ang may problema yung user.
May dala ko pala eh.
Yeah.
Anyway.
So there, in terms of where we buy and from who we buy, there are a lot of groups, a lot of companies and websites that sell second-hand cameras. So we'll have an episode of that.
Yeah, we'll try that soon.
And that's it. So
I wait the first film.
that's another.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So there.
So next episode, first film.
Bye.
Bye. Stay happy. Keep
Shoot film.
shooting. Shoot film. See ya.